Hello guys, hello vlog, kumusta? Pasensya na kayo guys kung ang video ay ganito pangit. Kasi hindi ko maano sa harap yung aking video if naka backspace, backspace ba to? Ano ba yan? Ano na siya sa likod. Yan guys. May mga kahoy din dito guys, oh. Yan. See? May saging din dito. Ayan, libingan. May nakalibing dyan. Sa kanila dito, kaya tabing kalsada, may nakalibing. Yan yung pintura ng kanilang bakod. Yan guys, so may kahoy din doon, kakahuyan. Yan siya, tapos may kawayan. Para din ako nasa Pinas guys, pero mas sa akin mas maganda yung yung Pinas. Nakaka-boring dito. Ayan si aking makulit, oh, naglalakad. Ayan si makulit. Pupunta yan siya ng tutor niya sa Arabic.
What can be done?
Go, go, go.
I want one.
Nakita naman siya na. That's a cotton candy, so very sweet. Huh? That's so very sweet.
Yeah, but my taste buds are mixed. It's maglog that taste buds.
Oh, take the money, mama, there in the bag. In the other mobile. Look. Sura! Faster ka, maybe he will go. That in the mobile. Oh, take the money. Ay, nako. And there, open there. Go, bye. Only one. That's 10 taka. Skuti. Bedop. Sagol. Ekpis de, ekpis. Ekpis kota. Ekpis de. Oh, chance. Take the chance. Nagbili siya ng cotton candy. You gave him that. That's 1 real, 2 real. 2 taka. Just 80.
You got more money?
10 taka. Nakaano naman siya ng cotton candy. Daw naglilihi ng cotton candy. That cotton candy is so very sweet.
But my taste buds are maglog.
How magloob?
My taste buds are
You open here. May nagpapanday doon.
ito ba?
You hold this one. You hold properly that mobile. They have.
Let's see.
Nila.
শহীদদের দুর্গাপুজো উপলক্ষে বাংলাদেশের শতবর্ষ এই শিল্পী এই অল্প ছবি কেবল প্রজ্ঞাপন তথা জানাচ্ছে